I blindfolded my mom so we can taste test her palate. Let's see how good she is. Can you hear me? First one is pumpkin puree.
I don't know. Cream cheese?
Final answer?
Cream cheese, I think so.
It's pumpkin puree. Next one is peanut brittle. If she guesses peanuts, we'll give it to her.
Yeah. Candy? Nut candy?
Which kind of nut?
Peanut?
Yeah, you're right.
I finished.
Next one is mozzarella cheese.
Oh my god. Some meat?
Not meat, no.
Some gas de do.
You just bought this.
I just buy. What I buy? Cheese? I buy cheese bread.
Yeah, it's cheese.
See?
Next one is mustard.
Oh my god. Some sour achar?
Final answer?
Achar? I think so.
No, mustard.
Oof. Too sour.
So if she thinks that's sour, let's give her something hot. This is a Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll give her a little piece. If she guesses any pepper, that'll be fine.
Blah. Some chili.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh my god.
Here, right there.
Oh my god. Pani de do. Pani de do.
Okay, relax.
Oh, pagal bachcha.
Let's cool down her mouth with a bit of bread. Last one is a croissant.
Mirchi yellow. Only bread.
But which kind?
Brown bread.
Final answer?
Yeah.
No, it's a croissant.
Oh.
Close.
Like bread.
Yeah.
Only क्या दिया आपने green chili?
No, it was the Scotch bonnet. It was a hot little smell.
बहुत नहीं यार.